I want to keep this really simple. ATC and other vested interests are lying when they insist there are no health effects from power lines. There are 23 pages of positive studies in Ellen Sugarman's book. This is a book that is available at Rainbow Books. There's a lot of studies that have been withheld from you. There's lots of data that should concern each and every one of you. And here are just a few of the recent ones, starting with a warning from our main health agency. In 1999, the NIH, the National Institutes of Health, Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, reported that power lines cause increased cancer. It was in all the papers, from USA Today to the Washington Post to the LA Times. You can get the study yourself. The DOE, Department of Energy / NIEHS 7-year government-sponsored rapid study. In particular, the government warned that power lines cause increases in childhood leukemia and said that children living in houses 50 feet or closer to power lines have the highest risk of increased cancer. Also, in '99, the University of Toronto found a significant relationship between EMF exposures and childhood leukemia. In 2001, the IARC, I'm not sure if that's how to pronounce it, IARC stands for International Agency for Research on Cancer. It's an agency of the World Health Organization called EMF's a possible carcinogen, citing a large study that found double the childhood leukemia in children exposed to 4 milligauss and higher, double. In 2001, the California Department of Health Services EMF research program reported increased risks of childhood leukemia with EMF exposures. And they recommended that schools maximize distances between EMF sources and kids. That would certainly also include power lines. You can get this information from the California EMF program, 1515 Clay Street, Oakland, California, 94612. That same year, the California Public Utilities Commission reported that it is more than 50% possible that EMFs at home or work cause an increased risk of childhood leukemia, adult brain cancer, and ALS. Why is this information being withheld from us? So how can anyone claim that power line EMFs aren't dangerous? Or how can a utility justify marching enormous transmission lines through residential neighborhoods? The answer is money. Don't let anyone try to tell you different. Thank you for your time.
Kelly Mattice.